those mongols to it. I wake up with the fear no one will miss me when I die. Fire umbrella, it makes one fine umbrella, but shield me from the rain, my dear, and look me in the eye and say you're everything I need, young fella. That's just what I be.
I need to get this board screwed into a stud, but I didn't really put a stud anywhere, and it's like not thick enough, so I don't really know what I'm doing. I guess I'm doing this. Next, measuring. Take a break for me. I'm afraid of all alone. These morning blues. Come on, let's lose. These morning blues. I'm in the van again, putting up these walls. Oh, this side's kind of tricky over here because it does the curve thing. So I guess I'll measure the thickest, the widest part. Sure. I'm gonna go with 62 1/4. Also, it's hot again. I know I said that last time, but it is hot. 62 1/4. We're gonna be in trouble though, because we're running out of good stud work on this side. What are these gonna do for me? Absolutely nothing. They're gonna do nothing. They're gonna serve no purpose. Way to go. Just need time to, where are you? It's still alive. Cause I'm right. I thought I was out of wood for a second. And then maybe. No, it's not. No! Look! It's not long enough. In the van again, obviously. And this time, headed to Lowe's. Just went to Lowe's, got more of those cladding boards. And I'm gonna try to work until the evening today, really until it gets dark, so I can knock out like 3 or 4 more of these pieces, get it up, get the wall over there, pretty much done, and then maybe mess with that. One of my friends came over and he helped me figure out how to do the vent on this side because I could not figure that out by myself, so luckily that's done. And so maybe even I'll go over there, but probably not. Every time I say something that I'm gonna work on something in this van, it does not happen. Every time I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna get this, and this done today. No. So, we'll see. I bet this song plays every video too, and we just cannot. Oh, it's so sad. Just to watch you talk, I think it's not real, but we live in a soul. Where is my goddamn mallet? Okay. Need a pencil. Why does my music suck today? Why and why can't I find a pencil or a pen ever? I have to clean. Okay. It goes down. We can move to anything. I'm not getting any younger. So we should cut it here.
think about you, scratching in the office, singing all the wrong words. And I'm being so bored. I hate to hear my friends fall down.
That actually did well.
Just let me know.
Golly. Oh, that is sick. And it builds me up.
And it
Tears me down.
There's nothing to do. She don't love me, but I think she does. Just for the record, you're taking too long.
Just to be safe and not at all sorry, we are gonna put a little bit back here.
My head is on straight, my heart is in peace, my soul is incredibly ready to change history, to fight the system, to fight the system.
I'll make them cry like you made me do.
Look at what you did, listen to your friends when they say, must be the way that the planet is, must be your face cause it's nasty big, I'm a freak and a man.
Driving. I don't feel like being in the car. I don't want to be doing chores today. But I must. That's what we can do. I hope you don't fall. There's another thing. I hope you don't fall. It's a bad bitch. It's a bad bitch. God. That fell.